Hi there, this is Jo here, and we are doing another medicine card spread from Jamie Sams and David Carson. I have done this one previously before, the medicine wheel spread. There's a picture there of the spread that we're going to use. In the medicine wheel spread, each of the 4 directions reveals certain things that you need to reflect upon in your personality. They also disclose how you are learning from yourself, from others, and from the animals. Now, we're not using animals. I'm using the Tarot of the Divine by Yoshi Yoshitani. A great spread for looking at yourself and learning. So I've got our cards displayed here, and obviously I've shuffled them before I came on. We're looking at our first card, which is the card of the East, is the position that reveals where your spiritual strength lies and indicates the direction your spiritual path is taking. It can also reveal the major challenge to seeing clearly in your present situation. It's kind of funny to me that this Temperance card is the one that's selected. It's not the quiet contemplation. It's all about balance though, and meditation. I need to just check in with myself here because there's some challenging things coming up with this card, because it is all about meditation, right? And this is talking about where my spiritual strength lies. Now, one of the things that I have started out my path in was being a meditation teacher, and so it's quite a strong thing for me. However, I know that I am not doing meditation at the moment. I know I keep getting told to have a meditation practice, and it is the thing that I resist, even though I love meditation, but I resist it because I don't really know. So it's very interesting that I've got the balance card, the card of finding symmetry in your life through meditation. And it is also the challenge in seeing clearly in your present situation. So it makes a lot of sense for me, the Temperance card coming out there in that south or the east position. This is the south position now. Sorry about that. The card in this position describes how the medicine is teaching the child within you as your adult self walks through life. It is what you need to trust in yourself and what you need to nurture in your growing process. It is a card of balance. It is another card of balance. Oh my goodness. It is a card of giving and receiving, and that definitely is a challenge for me. I often give too much and then get very resentful. That's my habit. That is the way I've grown up doing that, and it does create a lot of resistance and a lot of resentment in me. It is about the teaching that I need to really take on board, and that is about giving to myself and trusting that's nurturing for me, giving and receiving, not just giving. And that's a big one. Something definitely that I need to work with there. Our card that is in the West position talks about your internal solution to your present life challenges. It indicates where your goals need attention and how to reach the desired end. And this is the 2 of Pentacles or 2 of Coins here. And this is another card of balance. Oh my goodness. So, balance is super important for me in this medicine wheel spread. So this West card is all about balancing things. And this is a mother, Rippersnut, and she is from Haida mythology. And it's all about the skill of balancing opposing forces in your life. Very much about the other 2 cards so far. Very much about the duality of work and family, hobbies and careers, and wants versus needs, multitasking, balance, choice, flexibility, and prioritization. So this card is talking about the internal solution to your present challenges, and this is very much where I am at. To reach my desired goals, I'm going to have to balance, family with my own wants and needs. If I look back at this card, which is how to reach my goals, it is talking about balance, but it's about giving and receiving. And again, it doesn't mean putting other people's priorities ahead of mine. It does talk more about balancing them, which is, again, the thing that I might be challenged with or am challenged with, most certainly. Funny that we have the Emperor card coming in here. This is the North position. This card teaches you how you may spiritually apply and integrate the lessons of the other directions. The animal medicine of the card, which we don't have animal medicine, so we're just going with the archetypes, I suppose, of the card appearing in the North, is the key to walking in wisdom, knowing the teacher within and connecting to the higher self's purpose and intention. And I really do love that in this position. We have, the King Arthur card. We have the British Celtic tradition, and I'm from England originally, and it's the ideal father figure, the warrior and conqueror. He rules over his kingdom and sometimes unruly knights with a just and firm hand. He unifies fractious, defends the weak, and lends his knowledge and understanding to all his subjects. It's a very stable card. It's about leadership, bravery, bold action, and structure. And the structure is one of the things that's kind of that I'm thinking about here. It's all about balance, but to create balance, we need structure. And sometimes structure can come in ways where we might be a bit challenged, and we might, knowing myself, I might be a bit headstrong and creating balance and structure in my family life and in my work life. These cards are talking about balance, and they're done in a way that this is a very gentle balance through meditation. This is a balance of balancing the self and others. This is a balance of responsibilities and that, all the things on the earthly plane. And this card here is about finding that masculine balance, which is not because you're over exerting your will over others, but more so that it's the right structure. And when the right structure and the right balance is found, things fall into place. So I really quite like that in that position. Our last card is the Sacred Mountain card. The position of the Sacred Mountain asks you to look at the present. In this position, you are standing, in a sense, at the crossroads of the spiritual and physical realities. This card will therefore indicate how your spiritual and physical realities have melded to produce the you of the present moment. Since all things evolve, tomorrow this you will have grown in understanding and your card may be different. In accepting this omen of who you are in the present, you may then see what needs challenging or modifying, whether you are balanced or upset, and if you need to enter the silence for answers, which is funny because the first card is all about meditation. This is the Nine of Pentacles, and if you go back to some of the other videos I've done in this series, the Nine of Pentacles or the Nine of Coins it shows up. It comes into the reading. However, it is in the reverse in the other reading, but it is in the same position, card position. This is the legend of watermelon from Vietnam. It represents success, hard work, patience, a successful harvest. The road was long and hard, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Independence, prosperity, freedom, maturity, and self-discipline. And I find this to be a very balanced card in the end, that this card is talking about me at the present moment. And if you've watched the last video I did, which was the Father Sky, Mother Earth cards, that the balance was very important, bringing the two into balance. So this medicine wheel spread is all about me finding balance, finding structure, and understanding that I can do that it is within my realm of expertise. It is something that I will probably need to continue to work on. It is definitely there for me, and meditation could be the key. That is the thing that I probably keep resisting. What you resist persists. But this Sacred Mountain card, rather than being a crossroads, it's telling me that it's very achievable right now for me. More often than not, I probably will find that I am in balance, which is a really nice feeling because I know that I have not been in balance all of my life. So this medicine card spread for me has brought up some surprises, to be perfectly honest, because probably a little bit surprised and shocked that it's talking to me about balance. Like, it is still a challenge for me, balance. Let's not beat around the bush here, but it's more achievable. There's a route and a way forward to achieve the success that I am actually looking for, not only in my own personal life, but my family life, my business life, my friends, and social life. All of these things are much more achievable. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I have enjoyed working with it and playing with it. It's been really fun. If you would like a private reading, there is a link in the description box below. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram, see other things that I'm doing there. There is a tarot and oracle community where you can submit questions that I may use for these or in other posts. Thanks so much for watching. This has been fun. See you later. Bye.